Ever wondered how ancient remedies can still hold powerful secrets for modern times? Meet ginseng, a revered plant in traditional medicine renowned for its ability to combat stress and fatigue. This miraculous herb boosts the body's resilience against physical and mental stressors by regulating cortisol levels and supporting energy restoration. More intriguingly, ginseng enhances immune function, aiding in the prevention of chronic ailments and increasing overall vitality. Add this adaptogenic marvel into smoothies or teas and transform your lifestyle with nature's time-tested remedy for a healthier, more balanced life.